Okay guys, it's 4:30 p.m. here in USA in Atlanta, Michigan. We're planning to go out with my husband today, but still rain and he's not feeling well. His bone is sore, so we not go out to buy a burger in Gordon for dinner tomorrow. So we change our plan tomorrow, because tomorrow Sunday the kids will come here with their mom for dinner. So we're just planning only to eat in the restaurant tomorrow, to go out. Yeah, because it's raining. Yeah, because the rain is until tomorrow 8 p.m. So we changed our plan to not to make a dinner here in the house, because we make a dinner grill with corn, and we make a burger. So change the plan for tomorrow. We go only in a restaurant. Yeah, it's still raining here. Look. Yeah. See, I'm inside only here, or to take a video. I have no work. Yeah, I get bored for nothing to do, so because I cannot do anything, it's raining, so stay home, stay inside. Yeah, waiting for my dinner now. My husband prepare our dinner, pizza, so no big deal today, just stay home. Yeah, and also have I feel weak for this day, because the last time my grandson is here, I have a monthly period, but it's a lot of blood. That's maybe that that means for my starting for my menopausal, maybe, because I'm already 53. So that's why I think it's a chunk of blood. Yeah, more pieces until today. So it's 3 days already. 2 days. Yeah, no, because it's 20, 21, 22. Yeah, it's 3 days. Yeah, I hope it will be okay tomorrow, because tomorrow we'll go out. I hope we pray still be okay. Yeah, so that's only, guys. Nothing doing today, because my plants are happy for the rain. Yeah, and I'm happy too, because I think it will be grow my grass, the grass seeds, and I put some fertilizer. So now it's rain. When I put that at night, it's rain also. Until now, it's raining always here in Atlanta. So I'm very thankful to God for the rain. Yeah, that's can grow the grass, and the flowers will be good. Yeah, so thankful. And so guys, we can do a work yard and for garden, so just only go out tomorrow. So I hope you watch also my video tomorrow. I'll take a video when we are outing for our dinner. And yeah, in the morning that I forgot, we go to the AA meeting for my husband. Then after that, we watch a parade for a car. Yeah, we're in Atlanta. There's a parade. So that's only for today. Thank you all subscribers and viewers, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this video pass to your wall. Okay, thank you.